Hello and welcome to Prego Coding Classes. This is Amber Roy. In the previous video, you have seen how to code the on-click event listener for the card view that is inside the recycler view. So in this video, we'll be working out with the menus like logout, help and contact us. But before that, if you want to support this channel with whatever amount you want, there is the link given in the description box of my PayPal account. You can use it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, let's quickly open up our main program Java class file. So this is the main program Java class file, and we need to scroll to the overridden method. Which is on option item selected. So we have only one menu condition over here, that is the action logout. Let's check out the other IDs also. So let's go to the text view, and the other IDs are action help and action contact us. So we need to give those conditions as well. Copy this one, then paste and paste, and here we'll write help, and in here we'll write contact, capital US. That's it. Now we need to code. So underneath the logout we'll write Firebase auth dot sign out, which will sign out the current user. And when the user signs out, I need the user to get back to the login screen again. So start activity, new intent, main program dot this login activity dot class. And we need to finish this one also, so finish, and that's it. So let's open up the login activity and check if we are doing it right. The login activity is this one. Let's go to design, and yes, this is the login activity. So logout has been done, so this should work fine, and we need help and contact us. So for the action help and contact us, there are two ways to do it. One, if you have a website where you have a help section and contact us section, you can redirect the user to that website, which will open in the default browser that the user phone supports. Or else you can open a new activity and show the user help and contact us. So I'll show you both the ways. So for the external link, I'll create a method over here, private void open link in browser, and let me just give a quotation over here which says open any link in the Android phone default web browser. Here we need to close it, and then we can say string URL, and then we'll say here start activity, new intent. Over here we need intent dot action. Let's just write over here action, and then we need URI dot parse, and then the URL. So that will open this URL in the external web browser, the default web browser that the Android phone supports. So over here, you can do is let me just uh, call this method open link in web browser, and we'll say www, or let's say http .google.com, and that's how you should redirect the user. I'm just showing you an example with Google, but you should always put your contact us section URL in here, all the or the help section that your web browser has the link over here. I'm putting this as an example and not anything else. So the source code will be available to you in the description box. You can download and see. I would prefer over here to use a separate activity to show the help and contact us. So let's go on with that. Let's create an activity. So new activity, empty activity. We'll name it help, rather user, sorry, user help activity. Finish. After your help activity gets synced, we need to create one more activity that is for the contact us. So activity, empty activity, contact us, finish. Now let's quickly make some changes. Let's go to user help activity, and over here we'll say get support action bar dot hide, and the same in the contact us activity. It would be get dot hide, and in the user help we have to make some changes. So the changes would be go to text. Let's bring out the preview, and we'll change this to scroll view. Here we need a linear layout with match parent. Let's wrap the content in the height. Then we need an orientation, vertical, and in here we need a text view of match parent, wrap content. I just do it random. You can decorate it anyhow you want. So here I would write a text of help, and in here alignment, center, size of 20, font family trebuchet, and style bold. Okay, now we need view, match parent, P. Then we need another text view, match parent, wrap content, text of, let's say, how to operate the application. Then we need family trebuchet and size of 16 sp, and we'll copy the same here. Change the view to here. We would say random. This is the way to. Now you can modify, you can add a lot of stuff in here. That is up to you. I'm just showing this. So I would end this over here and close the preview and close this one also. I don't need to make any more changes. So let's go to contact us. We have got rid of the support action bar. Let's go to the text view of the contact us. Again, a scroll view. I always support smaller screen phones. Smaller screen phones can obviously scroll down to see everything. So match parent, wrap content, orientation would be vertical. We would take out the preview, and over here we'll add the same thing, text view, but first we need a margin of dp. Text view would be match parent, wrap content, text contact us, font family of trebuchet, text size of 20sp, and style bold, and we need alignment center. Okay, and now we need empty view of match parent and 20sp or dp, sorry. Let's close it. Text view of match parent, wrap content with text of email ID. Size would be 16sp, which will also be bold. Font would be trebuchet, and I guess that is it. And underneath, we'll just copy this one, copy, paste. Over here I would prefer 10dp, and just delete the bold. Anything else is fine. Name it Prego Softs at gmail.com. That is my email ID. You can send any queries, you can send any personal help that you want, but that is a paid program. So I would not make any more changes, but obviously you can modify as you want. So let's close it. Close, go to main program, and in the help, as I said, I would prefer opening a new activity for this. So start activity, new intent. This would be main program dot this to this is the help. So user help activity class, and we won't finish this because we want the user to come back to this activity again. So in here we would write the same thing, or you remember that you can do the other way around also. So start activity, new intent, main program dot this to contact us activity dot And that is it. It's time for us to run the program, but before that let me just give the note over here also that um, provide the link here, provide the contact us page. Okay, that is done. So now it's time to run the program and see if it works or not. I'll run the program in two ways. First, I'll run the program starting the activity, then I'll also show the open link in browser, this program, if it runs or not. So let's go. So our program has been compiled and we are using the separate activity to show our help and contact us. So let's quickly run the app. So now if we open the menu and hit help, the help activity appears. Let's hit back. Now if we hit the contact us activity appears. Let's hit back. And now I'll show you the second method, that is this one. So let's just keep it starred and close it. Now let's open this. Start the start activity. Now let's run it again. So our project has been compiled again, and now if we hit the help, it is asking me to choose the web browser. So I use Chrome just once and my Chrome with google.com opens. So if you change the google.com, your website with the help section will open here. Now let's check with the contact us. Same, just once. And the google.com appears again because we have not changed to any other website. It's google.com again. So that is how you should do it. Now let's check the logout if it works or not. And the user logs out and brings to the login screen. So that is it for the tutorial. So guys, now if you have a problem, if you have any suggestions, do comment in the comment box because you know that I love reading your comments. And if you have learned something from this video, go hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. And that's it. Thank you. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.